YouTube, welcome to my apartment tour. Come on in. Okay guys, welcome to my apartment, almost empty apartment tour. You guys understand, we're about to get into it, but first of all, let me apologize because there are some things that you guys are going to see and I don't want anybody to start dragging me because I don't have strength, guys. This has been a very stressful process. If you guys watched the last vlog, I told you guys that I was evicted and given only 10 days to look for an apartment, and I have been trying to do that. And thankfully, we have our own apartment now. It's just been a lot. You guys will understand when I show you. And I'm really trying as much as possible to make sure I film this so that I can put it out. In fact, the way I'm seeing it, I don't even know if this video is going to go up. I really hope I'm able to put it up, you know. But if not, I mean, I don't know, guys. But yeah, we're going to get into this, and maybe as time goes, I'm going to tell you guys more about the whole process. But yeah, welcome to my 2-bedroom apartment, because guys, we're in a 2-bedroom. I cannot believe I'm moving from a studio apartment to a 2-bedroom, but yeah, God did this thing. Let's get right into it. See, once you come into the apartment, you see on your right hand, you see the windows. Yeah, guys, this was just installed yesterday, so there are still some things that they need to touch up. The next thing you see is the toilet. So you remember when I was telling you guys that you should not drag me? It is because this apartment has not been professionally cleaned, and that is because there are still some minor things that are supposed to be done, and I don't want to clean the place and then they come stain it. You guys know how this job can be very messy. It's a new apartment, like a newly built 2-bedroom apartment, so there are still some things that, like, the electrician is fixing some things and all. So if I show you this, don't tell me why is this place dirty, okay? Anyways, let's open this up. So once I open this is the toilet for the sitting room. I really like this space. Sorry, it's dirty, guys. Don't worry, very soon it's gonna be clean. Like in the next couple of days, everything will be clean. I'll show you guys properly. But this is what my toilet looks like the visitor's toilet, I should call it. So moving on, this is the sitting room area. This is where my TV is going to be, and I cannot wait to do something about it. Now, if you know me, you know that I love chandeliers like crazy, guys. See what this apartment came with, because what? I want to scream. Like, when I saw this thing, I was like, what? But anyways, yeah, there's a chandelier right there, and then the next thing you see is this area. This is like a store, okay? And of course, it's a store, so you have the paints. There are some things that it used to work. Guys, this place is just a lot. And yeah, when I got this apartment, this place was actually open. And then the landlord said he was going to put like a slide door, but it changed his mind last minute. I don't know what they're doing here. I don't know what's going on here, but I'm going to have to figure it out when I move in. And yeah, the star of the show, guys. This is my kitchen. First of all, let me show you guys this track light, because what? See, if there's one thing I'm going to tell you guys, it is believe God when you ask for things, because guys, this is an open plan kitchen. This is an open plan kitchen, and exactly what I prayed for and more. Oh, also my apartment comes with this cooker. Guys, everything is dusty. Remember, I have not moved in. They're still doing some work. So yeah, this comes with the gas cooker and an extractor. Over there I kept my tripod, and then there's this silicone thing that some of the workers left. But yeah, this is it. So many, like, there's so many space. Like, I don't even know how I'm going to, because right now I'm stretching. There's so much. I cannot wait to use this. Once they take out this thing, it will look so much better. But okay, this is for the extractor. I know one of this has the heater, so I don't even have to do much when it comes to boiling water and all. And then there's another one here. But yeah, guys, that's it. And then this one's They're like storage spaces. This is the sink area. It's very, very big. Like there's so much space to store things, which is so exciting. And then over here, we still have some here. They're just drawers, you can keep things. I guess I'll keep my spoons and whatnot there. And then this is what you see here. So this is my kitchen, basically. Over here is just a window, I guess. I'll be putting my refrigerator over here. By the way, guys, this is like the remaining tile for the ground. And I want to put, there's no towel here. I don't know why they left this place, but I don't know, but I think I want to use it. So I told them to just leave it for me. If I don't use it, I guess I'll just look for somewhere to keep it. But what do you guys think? Should I put a wallpaper here or should I put the towel? Please tell me in the comment section. Like, you guys legit tell me. I'm going to be waiting for your response to know what I'm going to do, because we are decorating this apartment together. So this is what the sitting room looks like. It is very, very massive, like very, very wide. You guys see how far? I'm not even using like a zooming thing. This is the normal camera. And then this is my kitchen space, and this is my sitting room. All of this for me. Yeah. Oh, I told you guys about the track lights. There are 2 track lights. So one is coming in to the sitting room, and then the other one is going to be moving light. You know, you can adjust this track lights, right? So one will be sending light into the kitchen, and this one, I cannot wait for you guys to see how this lights up. This is very, very beautiful. This is another chandelier that my apartment came with. Okay, so this is it about the sitting room and the kitchen. So let's go into the rooms. All right, okay, so this is the first room, and guys, like I said, they are working, and this is what it looks like. So they are trying to fix this. What do they call this light again? Those color lights. I don't know what they are actually called. Strip lights. Yeah, that's what they're called. Strip lights. So they are going to fix it right there. They already started with this one, and then it's going to go all the way. So that's it for the room. Just, you know, a normal sized room. I wouldn't say my room is small at all. It's actually big enough, because once I put my mattress, I'll be able to put 2 side tables, and I'll still even have space. So that's very good. Over here you have the wardrobe, which I love. I didn't expect my wardrobe to come like this, but yeah, and it's just plain, because I'm like, why is there no hand? But anyways, this is how you open it up. So you just press and open, and there's so much space. It comes with wide, but like a lot of space. Let me show you guys this other one. So yeah, you have this over here, and I can hang my clothes in this one. I can probably even hang some things there. I think I'll just put like some storage baskets over here. But yeah, that's the wardrobe space. And then we're gonna go in. Once we turn, the next thing you see is the door that leads to the toilet. So let's open this up and go into the master's bathroom. This is the master's bedroom, by the way. And guys, look at my shower. What? See, I have a lot to say, but let's just continue with this store. Anyway, so it just comes with this light. I pray it's bright enough for me. But yeah, this is the shower area, and thankfully I don't have to buy anything to hang or keep my things. I have enough space to keep my shower gel, face wash, all those things I'm gonna need. And I'm just going to have to look for where to keep my cleaning stuff, unlike how I kept it in my other room. But yeah, this is how this looks. Over here is the toilet. We'll have to take this out. It's just towels, I guess. And then it also came with the brush, the cleaning brush. Comes with a bidet, which I love because I don't have to buy it for myself. But yeah, and then the water heater. They're going to connect this. The electrician is going to come do that. So this is what the master's bedroom looked like. I'm just going to give you guys another, is it 360 of what the place looks like. But yeah, this is it. Okay. It's wide enough, it's big enough. it's okay for me. So let's go into the second room. Now, this second room, guys, you cannot say anything because remember the part where I told you that they chased me out and I had to move? So when I got this apartment, let me just give you guys a quick one. When I got the apartment, or when I came into the apartment, there was some work that they were doing. And I'm going to show you guys, because I vlogged that part, I'm going to show you guys what it initially looked like when I first came here. A lot of things have changed, and that's why I'm even filming this video now, because in the next 2 days, in fact, tomorrow, a lot of things will change. Like, it will not be looking like this, and it will not be really, really empty anymore. So I'm just like, this is the only option I have to film. But if I don't like how it looks, I may have to repeat this. I really hope, because I don't have the strength to. Guys, I am tired. Like, this whole process has drained me. I'm even thinking of taking a break, but don't worry, we'll talk about that later. So I had to move my things into one of the rooms before, you know, they finished the work. But it was almost like 90% complete. Now it's like 98%, because whatever they need to do is just little touches like electrical work, and then move out the things that they've not they worked with. But yeah, when I first got this place, it was like 90% done. I'll show you guys, don't worry. So let's go into the room so you guys can see. Oh, it's so messy. I don't even know how to show you guys this, but this room is what is holding all of my property. I cannot believe everything fits in here. This is all my property in this life. Guys, I'm not going to show you because this thing looks messy, but yeah, you guys can already see my table, my inverter, my chair, my box. It is a mess. And then I have my washing machine. My mattress is up here. They covered it because they were painting, and then my bed, whatever. But anyways, this is just the tour of the room. I also hid my mirrors inside here. This is the second toilet. It's dusty, guys. I can't wait for them to come clean this place. I already got a cleaning company to come over. So bidet, the toilet. I hid my mirrors here. There is a water heater. And guys, the towels I love. I didn't mention it, but they're like great towels, which I really, really like. I feel like once light bounces on this, it's gonna look so good, right? Let me even see how it is now. This is for me when I'm editing, because I don't know what it looks like right now. But imagine me filming here. And guys, do you know that I like this toilet more than the master's bedroom? In fact, I like this room more than the master's bedroom. I don't know what it is about. I feel like it's where it's facing. But yeah, you guys can see the only difference in this is the shower. I think they are the same size, or maybe that one is slightly bigger, but the shower over here is different. And I don't mind, I really don't care, because it's still big, and I know that the pressure, like the water coming from this, is gonna be a lot. Also, it has the opening so I can keep my shower gels, everything. So it even has where I can keep things here. So you guys, this is it. And then the sink, it's really, really nice. Like, I don't know what this is. I don't know who left this here. I guess maybe the security or something. But yeah, this is what the sink looks like. It's not the usual one you see, but it's just, but it's regular, kind of regular, but it's not the usual regular round type that you guys see. It's very, very big. I like that it has, like, it's very, very wide. So yeah, this is it about the toilet. So I have just set you guys up on my island in my kitchen, and you guys are going to be seeing a lot of me in this angle, or maybe should I do this angle? It's the chandelier that's going to be showing that, in whichever one. But yeah, guys, this is it. This is the tour. Did I show you guys my kitchen tap? I think you guys saw it, but yeah, that's what it looks like. Like, it's extra. It has all the extras. Like, it's very, very extra. But anyways, guys, this is the tour of my apartment. I move in here in about 2 days, I think, if not, maybe, no, 2 or 3 days. I move in here fully. So I'm just going to be cleaning and setting up and settling in. And guys, whew, the Lord is my strength. But anyways, I'm just happy that I've gotten an apartment, and what the devil meant to destroy me with, God came through, and he made me a winner. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my little 2-bedroom apartment tour. I'm just being humble. My apartment is not little anything. It's not a mansion. It's not a mansion. I'm just being something. But yeah, it's not very, very little. Let's not joke. Let's not joke about that, because you guys will be like, Steph, what's wrong with you? But I know it's not very, very little, but at the same time, it's not a mansion. Okay. So yeah, we've come to the end of this vlog. Thank you guys so much for the love on the last vlog. I'm like, where are you people coming from? But anyways, I hope you guys even love this one more. Make sure to subscribe to the channel to know how we spruce up and do things inside this apartment, because there's a lot that is coming. It's going to be, as in, my interior decor skills will be coming out. If you've not watched my last my fully furnished apartment tour, like the studio apartment tour, go see what I did there, so you can imagine what is going to be coming. I'm so happy, guys. Like, I'm really, really happy, but I am physically tired because this whole process has been very, very stressful, both mentally, emotionally, financially, because guys, house hunting was a lot. I went through a lot financially. Like, it was very, very draining, because every time I went to see an apartment, I would have to pay for it. And yeah, God led me here. The management is amazing. Like, they are amazing people, although with some little hiccups along the way, because I don't know why they are taking their time to do things, but everything, I know it's to the glory of God. And I'm going to be living here, so subscribe so that you can see what I do with this space. Your suggestions. Oh, by the way, I didn't show you guys, but I have 2 balconies. There's a balcony here and there's a balcony in front. Like, you're gonna come in through. You guys are gonna see. I don't want to start moving this camera. I'm already tired. So I hope I'm able to edit this vlog to put it up. Otherwise, yeah, because one thing I've noticed is if I upload a video during the week, it doesn't really get, I don't know whether it's the algorithm. So if I miss posting tomorrow, you guys will see this vlog next week. I apologize. I'm very sorry. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye. Bye.